Look at these little teeny ones.
Prairie dog.
Look at these two. It's a mama and a baby.
How many people?
I will when they pop up. Oh, he probably didn't want to go down here. He doesn't want to do it? Huh? Okay.
Get Samantha out there? Okay. You see Samantha on herself?
No, I'm watching this thing eat.
I keep getting her back. She's so awesome. And she's trying to take a picture of that one.
Go in the middle one, Christian. The middle one.
Middle one's the bigger one.
She's a prairie dog with a phone. Let's go.
Man, he's really eating.
No.
All of a sudden, she sees her phone.
What if the wants to go?
Look, they're right up next to the little.
Yeah.
But it's non-evasive, I guess. They just kind of.
Oh, he came out of there.